So, by watching the video, you must have figured out what's being made here. There was a lot of demand for it at home, so I thought, why not make it myself? I grabbed my scissors, picked up a Protein X box, and started sticking things on it. I've also put a circuit inside, but I'll show you the main component later. I've built the structure just like it is. See, I'm making holes in it, exactly in the same style. How do you like it? Inside, I've included an ESP32, a power supply, and many other components. Let's place Tonie's upper part on it now. As soon as I placed it, wow, it started playing, and my work is done.